sir, when you have another 4-5 days for the campaign?
See, in 4 days, up to 23rd of this month, I am going to complete the first phase of the election. From 24th, the second phase of the constituencies I am covering. So everywhere where I have gone, there is a lot of enthusiasm among the party workers and also the voters. I feel Congress party is having fair chances of winning this election. I hope that up to 20 seats will win this time
In Karnataka, sir.
in Karnataka.
But your predictions, sir, even in the state assembly elections gone right, you reached your prediction and you reached your expectations. But when it comes to Lok Sabha, it is a election for the nation. We choose a leader for the nation. Will that really works here also, sir?
See, though it is a parliament election and this is an election for the nation, but this time the NDA is going to be defeated.
What makes you say that, sir?
It is because there is a strong anti-incumbency against the BJP government headed by Mr. Narendra Modi ji. And the NDA government's failure because Narendra Modi has not fulfilled his promises which he has made to the people of the country. So that shows that he has not kept up their promises. That is why the BJP headed by Narendra Modi ji is going to be defeated this time. The India headed by Congress party is this time there are fair chances to forming the government at the center.
But Prime Minister everywhere is saying, believe in my guarantees. When you came to power after promising all the guarantees, you implemented them in Karnataka. Now the Prime Minister
same Narendra Modi is criticized when we announced these guarantees. Now he has hijacked this guarantee. Narendra Modi. He is telling now the Modi guarantee. See, whether he has fulfilled his promises which he has made during 2014 and 2019. This is the point to be considered by the voters. I think voters are not fools. He can't make the voters fool at all times. So they are very quite intelligent and they can understand the political situation in the country and the failure of the government of India.
You very well know the politics of the country, sir. Is that the reason you are saying the NDA can't cross 200 seats in the whole country?
According to me, 200 to 220 seats they may get. NDA may get 200 to 220 seats. See, they are telling that we will win 400.
Ab ki baar 400 par.
Ab ki baar
400 par.
400
Par.
That is not possible at all because they are strategically telling this.
Is that a narrative you are saying, sir?
Yes, definitely. Definitely, I think this time NDA will not come to power. They know that the NDA will not get the required number. That is why strategically they are telling we will win 400 seats.
Sir, Karnataka is totally different compared to other states in the nation. You set a narrative from here after winning 136 seats, which gave the moral boost to the Congress party. Now, your chief minister in Jharkhand is in jail. Delhi chief minister, who is your alliance partner, is also in jail. somewhere is that Congress, you said also that bank accounts have been frozen. It was all the intentional tactics. Do you think that can somewhere give sympathy towards the Congress and the alliance, sir?
See, people can understand the strategy that they are going to adopt. They can't mislead every time the people, the country. Sometimes it is okay, but not all. In all the times they can fool the people of this country, and people, they can't underestimate the intelligence of the people.
You also said BJP is trying to fool the people in the name of constitution. They may change if they get the numbers and all these things, sir. Their MPs made some statements.
See, that is the hidden agenda of BJP. They are not, they don't have belief in the present constitution. It's because they believe in Manusmriti. That is why we call them as Manuvadigalu.
When Prime Minister came to Karnataka, you were holding a chombu, sir. That's a vessel. You were showing it in the tax issue. Most of your workers came to see the protest, including your Bhairati Basuraju, Bhairati Suresh, and many other leaders, sir.
Because so far they have not fulfilled the promises which they have made during 2014 Parliament election and also 2019 Parliament election. And they have shown stepmotherly attitude towards Karnataka. They have not given any money, though Karnataka is facing severe drought. They have not given the promises, the announcement made in the budget. They have not released a single pie so far. And 15th Finance Commission, the recommendations they have not fulfilled. See, all these things go to show that they have given empty vessel to the people of Karnataka.
Is that the reason all the MPs are asking in the name of the Prime Minister Modi, sir? They are going to the voters.
See, that is why they are going to be defeated, because there is no Modi wave this time. In the name of Modi, they can't win unless they are good with the people of, voters of the Parliament constituency. They can't win. But so far, there is a strong anti-incumbency against the government and against the MPs. That is why they have changed sitting MPs, more than 12 MPs in Karnataka. In the entire nation, more than 100 MPs they have changed this time. Why they have changed? Because there is a strong anti-incumbency against the MPs and also strong anti-incumbency against the government. That is why new faces have been given. They are trying, but I don't think they will succeed in this attempt.